A visible and clear takt is the base for lean manufacturing. Binar offers many solutions from very simple single stations to line solutions with takt. In an unbalanced flow, the bullwhip effect causes a lot of stress. Also, humans often tend to work fast, carelessly, causing worse quality. To get a high direct run quality and a low scrapping cost, takt is the right method. The takt clock shows the pace calculated for each job. If there is a line flow, stop and go is a very efficient method to increase output without increasing the stress for the operators. All operators finish their assembly simultaneously, pushes the green acknowledge button and moves forward to the next station. Any disturbance or stop will be visualized and highlighted. Total increase in throughput of 25 to 30% is very common, and in an optimized flow, the throughput may be increased by the double.